What's your name?
Kazi Sidatul Muntaha Afra.
Muntaha, what class do you study?
In grade 5C.
Well, which school do you study?
My school is DPS STS School, Dhaka.
Where do you live?
I live in Uttara Dhaka.
Today you are in Bhawal Resort, right?
Yes.
Why have you come here?
To celebrate my holiday with friends because it has been so long that we couldn't have any get-togethers with my friends, so I miss them a lot.
Why didn't you go to your friend's house on Friday or any other days?
It's just that I'm very busy with my homework and my studies.
Okay, so I think you are under pressure, right?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. Do you like your school?
Yes, it's quite nice.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history
Why do you like this subject?
because it has many things about in the past and I love to make new discoveries.
Do you like to read storybooks?
Yes, I do.
What types of books do you love to read?
It's about adventurous genres and fantasy.
When do you read storybooks? Because you are always busy with your study.
Well, I read books on Saturday whenever I get time.
Do you learn any other things like singing, drawing, or
Well, yes, I do love singing, also sketching, doing mandalas, and many more.
what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is like Western dress.
Now tell me something about your country. Do you like your country?
Well, yes, I do like the advanced improvements that are happening in Bangladesh.
Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.